How to change your iPad's wallpaper. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually change the wallpaper for your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So by default, you will have this stock wallpaper on your iPad whenever you purchase a new one or when you restore them to your settings. And the problem over here is that you're not being able to figure out how you can change the wallpaper on your iPad. Well, the process is very simple. All you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. So let me go ahead and first of all open up the settings app. Once you open settings, in order to change our wallpaper, on the left hand side, go ahead and simply select wallpaper. And once you select wallpaper, right over here you can actually see our current wallpaper. If you want to add a new wallpaper, tap on choose a new wallpaper at the very top. And right over here, before we get onto the default wallpapers, you can also actually choose a wallpaper from a photo on your gallery. For example, you can see some of the photos which you have stored on your iPhone or your iPad. You could go ahead and simply set them as your wallpaper. But aside from that, you could basically choose any of the photos, such as the stills one. As you can see, these are a still wallpaper. It's not going to get moved. And however, if you want to actually choose a dynamic wallpaper, then you could also come back to dynamic and you'll be able to see all of these wallpapers from the list. If you want to select a particular one, simply select it, and as you can see, this dynamic wallpaper will look like this. In order to set this as a new wallpaper, you have to tap on the set button which you see, and then you can set as lock screen or home screen, or you can set it as both. And once you've done that, if I come back to over here and if I show you, you can see our dynamic wallpaper has been changed. Similarly, if you want to go ahead and change it again, you can select a still wallpaper from the list, and from all this list you can simply select this and you could tap on the set button and then set as home screen or lock screen or set as both. And this is how you can change your wallpaper on iPad. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.